Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to do Coronation chicken. Something that's pretty British actually, with an Indian twist. I presume it came from back in the day when the English were in India. A great sandwich filling, or for jacket potatoes. I had quite a few emails about this one actually, so let's do it. Very simple. It's basically a chicken mayo with some Indian spices. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. My chicken. So the chicken, I got a chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I boiled that for like 6 or 7 minutes, let it cool down, then shredded it. Yogurt and mayonnaise. Some people would just put mayonnaise. I like the combination of yogurt, plain yogurt and mayonnaise together. Sultanas or raisins, that's up to you what you want to put in. Also, some people would put dried apricots in here. Coriander, fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. Little bit of chopped celery, little bit of chopped red bell pepper. Mango chutney, some flaked almonds, and then our spices. Now you can just be using a little bit of a mild curry powder. I'm just using half a teaspoon here of turmeric, coriander, and chili powder. Very simply, we're going to mix that together with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so mixing bowl, our chicken's in. Let's get started. Some black pepper. Touch of salt before I forget. Then we can get in those flaked almonds. Our dried sultanas or raisins, up to you. A little bit of bell pepper and celery. I like that in there. The chopped cilantro or coriander. Our powders, let's take a look again. Like I say, you can just use a curry powder mix, but I've got these three here: turmeric, chili and coriander. In there you go. Then we're going to go mango chutney. Mayonnaise. And the plain yogurt. Very simply, we're going to give that a mix. Okay, and there you go, that's it. That is our Coronation chicken. If you want it to be a more vibrant yellow, you can add more turmeric or even some food colour. Some people put food colour in it. I'm going just like that. A real old classic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.